Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to save archived stories on Facebook. So in your Facebook application, just go ahead and tap on your profile, and then right over here you will see here the three dots, and then click on the activity log. So in here, just tap on your archive, and then story archive right over here, and then these are all your stories. So you just have to select the stories that you want to save. So for example, I'll be saving this one. You just go ahead and tap it, click the three dots at the upper right corner, and then click the save button. So you can find the save stories in your gallery. So I will be showing you. And there you have it. And that's it guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.